In front of me is TCL 40R, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video files to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now click on this plus at the bottom left corner to access files. Finally, find your audio one by choosing one of those apps, selecting audio at the top, or clicking on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. Either way, when you're ready, just click on your file you wish to attach. To add a video one, select this icon of a camera and the photo instead, and click on your video. If you can't find it, select Gallery, click on it here and tap on Add. If you still can't find it, choose Gallery, tap on Folders and look for your video the same way you would an audio file. Then click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!